If you click on menu option and then try to clear recent app, then showing this error, your system is now in optimal condition and you can see that recent apps are not being cleared. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix this problem. So let's start. For fixing this problem, first of all, click on menu option and then click on three dot icon. Also here you can see two dots. Then click on unlock option. Unlock all tabs like this. Just click on three dot icon, then click on unlock. After unlock all tabs, now try to clear tabs. But still you can see this error, your system is now in optimal condition. Actually, it is a standard toast notification on Android phones that appears after you use the close all button to clear background apps and free up RAM. This is not any problem with your device. And if you go to the recent tab, you will see that all tabs have been deleted. But if still problem remaining, then press and hold on power button and then restart your device. After this step, I hope your problem will be solved successfully.